Here's Prem Gavadkar, and we are learning today a new poem which is from a standard English textbook. Unit number 3 and subunit is 3.1. The poem name is Why, and the poet is unknown. It is not given here. So, friends, as you know, there are so many things and incidents that are happening near our surroundings. Some of those things we know, and we knows that those reasons why they happens, but some of those things we don't know why it happens, or what is the reason behind it. We neglect them, but when we think about the childs or some little or small boys and girls, they are very curious. They are full of curiosity to know everything. They watch or they observe everything, what is happening and what is the reason behind it, but they don't know its reasons. So they ask so many questions to the elders. And for those small boys or small kids, the poet prepared this poem, Why. Here in this poem, the boy is small and he is asking why this, why that, why then, why now, so many questions. As he asks there, why should the wood swim? Why lily and marble sings? Why stars should shine and why wind should blow? He asks us, inquires us so many questions, and you have already learned this poem. So today we have to solve the English workshop. So today we can learn how to solve the English workshop for the poem Why. The very first activity is read the poem and discuss and complete these following blanks with proper action words. Those are verbs. Look here. He has given already the answers already. Woods as swim and marbles as sink. Marble sinks and wood swims. As those, we have to solve this activity. He has given sun. You see here in red ink, the answers are already written here. You see here, sun sinks, rain falls, rivers die, ice melt, stars shine, ocean ebbs and flows, bees stings, winds blow, fish swim. Here the main verb swim is not given for fish, it is given here gills. But the verb for the fish we use here swim, to swim. Now go to the second activity. It is discuss in pairs and write the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. There are so many rhyming pairs is given here, just as boy, boy, sing, drink, flies, rise, sky, die, nose, flows, try, why, fly, sky, stone, bone, and why, by. There are so many rhyming pairs has been given in the poem. Now go to third activity. In third activity, the figures of speech is given here. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by and by. In these two lines, the word why is repeated. So it is a figure of speech called repetition. And as you know, repetition is a figure of speech in which one or more words are repeated in the same sentence. As you, for example, son, give me that pen. In that sentence, son is repeated. Now find out the lines from the poem which there are given two lines First line is why stars should shine and winds should blow. Look here. Here should is repeated. Should and should. Then in second sentence, why pop guns should go pop and why. Here why repeated and pop again repeated. So it is the line of repetition figures of speech. As this repetition speech figures of speech alliteration, then onomatopoeia also used in this poem. Now go to fourth activity, complete the wave diagram. Here in this activity, the little boy wants to know what he wants to know. So many questions are asked here, and we have to write those questions, which questions asked by the little boy. Here, why wood should swim, why the flowers die, why Lydia and marbles sink, why boys cannot fly, and why ice should melt. Such as so many questions are asked here. You can use here the different questions which are asked here in the poem. Now go to fifth activity. Here is given two waves. Complete the following blanks from the poem, and it is pair activity. You should make or solve this activity with your peer. Here in the first wave, what is asked? Here we have to write words from the poem related to environment. Which words are related to environment? We have to write those. Wind is given already here. Then choose those words related to environment. Here is given clouds, plants, ocean, steam, sun, etc. Go to now this second wave. Here is given words from the poem related to animals, fruits and insects. Which words are related to animals, fruits and insects? It is written here. These are bees, flies, spiders, seeds, bone marrow. It is of an animal's part, and then yeast. Yeast is to relate to this wave. So you can choose many words and use many words to fulfill this wave. Sixth activity, here's given an imaginary interview. The activity is, imagine a senior student from your school has won a national level quiz contest. Frame 8 to 10 interview questions that you would ask. Here's the questions are already given here. Questions to interview. Those are you feeling happy today? Who inspired you to participate there? Third is, are you confident then? Fourth is, what preparation did you make? Fifth is, did you try your best to get that award? And sixth is, how was the quiz competition? Seventh is, was it comfortable? Eighth is, what did you feel when you won the contest? Ninth question is, what was your family members' reaction toward it? And the last one, what message do you want to give us? In this activity, friends, you must ask 4 to 5 sentences as verbal questions. You have totally 10 questions for it. You just ask 8 to 10 questions, and minimum 3 to 4 questions as the verbal questions, and then the other are WH questions. So friends, today we have solved this English workshop, and I think you will be happy. Thank you.